This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, awning, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,674 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.